Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. Headquarter of Global CEO Club is based in USA. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. One of the CEO from Indonesia is with us, and he is the producer, he is the manufacturer of this brand, this product. I request Mr. Abdul Qadir to share with us about your product, about your brand, please.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. I want to introduce our chef. My name is Supardi Abdul Qadir, come from Indonesia. I want to also introduce our product. My brand, Indomie. Indomie. Original come from Indonesia, but our factory already in Pakistan. Start come from 2023 until now. 2023. Sorry, I repeat ya. 2023 start until now. Okay. Alhamdulillah, our market very good in Pakistan. Step by step to growing up. And then now in 2026 available Expo. I'm very happy to can join in here together. I hope also all audience and customer care about our product and acceptable. And also if available come from a customer need some improve, welcome. Or to critique some anything to make it improve come from our product and then acceptable in public. Okay,
Mr. Abdul Qadir, thank you so much for being here in Pakistan.
Yes.
And it was a great interest that you stayed here for the growth, not only for you, for the public of Pakistan also.
Inshallah.
And as you know, the public, Pakistani public is very keen, very interested to have international alliances, international collaborations.
Yes.
I invite you as well as other business community to join hands with Global CEO Club, to be part of Global CEO Club, so that you can be grown, you can be flourished, you can be promoted across the globe. Global CEO Club would generate business, would generate opportunities for the growth of businesses. I invite you once again to be part of Global CEO Club so that you can be grown across the world. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful session. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
See
you.
you.